Hello guys, and welcome to another ProfileTree video. So today we're going to be going through how to deactivate a Facebook account. So without further ado, we're going to go ahead and get started. So of course there are many reasons as to why you want to deactivate your account. So to start off, what we're going to do is you want to go on to your top right, you'll see your logo for your Facebook account. Now you click on that and you'll see this pop up. So you'll get the settings and privacy, help and support, display and accessibility. You've got give feedback and log out. Now what you want to do is you want to go ahead and select on the settings and privacy. And once you've got the settings and privacy clicked, this is the next pop up. So you'll have settings, privacy checkup, privacy center, activity log, feed, and language. Now the important one out of them all is the settings. So just be sure you go ahead and select on the settings. So once you've clicked on the settings, you'll pretty much just get this part here, which is the most important part. So you've got general, security and login, and your Facebook information. And just so you're aware of where it's at, this is the initial screen that you'll get. So you'll have basically it showing you your general information. And if you click on the your Facebook information, what will pop up on the right side is all the information that you need. So just select your Facebook information to get that pop up. Now, if we look closer into this, you'll see access your information. You've got transfer and copy, or transfer a copy of your information. And you've got download your information. You've got activity log, off Facebook activity, managing your information. And lastly, what we really need to be looking at is the deactivation and deletion. So you can temporarily deactivate or permanently delete your account, as you can see. Now, if you go ahead and select on the blue button there, which is the view button, just click on that. Now, you'll see this, which is basically just telling you whether you want to go ahead and deactivate your account or you want to delete your Facebook account. Now, of course, it says if you want to take a break from Facebook, you can deactivate your account. If you want to permanently delete your Facebook account, let us know. So for the deactivation of the Facebook account, it pretty much just deactivates the main account, which is basically where you post, you see videos on Facebook, any statuses, anything that's been put up like that, photos, or any other sort of form of communicating, or not really communicating, but like posting content which is on Facebook. That's what it'll be deactivating. So it'll remove most of the things that you've shared. Well, pretty much just it removes most of the things you shared, but it will only disable your name and photos. So if you do decide that you want to reactivate your account, everything will still be there. So that could be the content, everything that you've listed from about us or about yourself, you know, like with the date of birth, where you live, your relatives, anything like that will be kept. And what's great about deactivating the account as well is that you can still continue using Messenger, so you can still keep in touch with any friends or family. It doesn't actually deactivate the entire thing. But if you do decide that you want to delete the account instead, so that is permanent, you actually get asked one more question if you do want to permanently delete your account. So if, as it states, when you delete your Facebook account, you won't be able to retrieve the content or information that you've shared on Facebook, this being your Messenger, and all of the messages will also be deleted. So that's two separate apps pretty much just gone. So just be careful on selecting the ones you pick. You do get a confirmation whether you want to do it or not. So yeah, that's pretty much the end of the tutorial. So guys, if you have any questions at all regarding the video, please do let us know in the comment section below. And of course, if I have missed anything, which hopefully I have covered it, do let us know in the comment section below. But other than that, I'll see you guys for the next video. Thank you very much.